This is Dr. Ayush Sharma once again, and as you can see the title of this video, the title is should I take a drop or not? Okay, now this is a query that I've been getting so much in my Instagram. It's not actually a query, it's just something that people are asking. It's something that people are thinking about, right? And particularly the people who are slightly on the borderline margin. Okay, they are thinking since the NEET PG 2022 exam is around the corner, right? So should they take a drop, okay, to just improve their ranks, maybe get a better college? Even I was thinking about this at one particular point of time. Okay, so I'll just give you my opinion on this particular subject. Okay, so whether to take a drop or not, irrespective of what your rank is, irrespective of you know wherever you are, I'm just going to simplify, or I'm just going to tell you how I particularly took this decision of not taking a drop this year. Okay, how I did things, and maybe you could apply one of these points in your decision making. Okay, so if it helps, I mean, well and good. Otherwise, please use your own brain. Okay, that's what I would like to say in the starting of this video. Everybody has common sense, everybody has their own brains. Okay, and you are the best judge of yourself. Okay, I'm just going to give you some points that I considered while making this choice. All right, okay, so first thing that you have to ask yourself is that whether the rank that you got is your rank or not. Okay, what do I mean by this? Okay, so my rank in NEET PG, as you all must be knowing, it was 4132. Okay, 4132. Okay, I'll just write it down. Yes, it was 4132. This was my rank. Now, regarding whether or not this is my rank or not, I feel that I could have done better, but this is not such a bad rank to begin with. Okay, so it is not a very bad rank. Okay, and maybe I could have done better, but this is satisfactory. Okay, I'm okay with my rank, because to be honest, I never scored more than 135 in any grand test. But that day, I overcame my anxiety. I overcame the usual mistakes that I used to do, the silly mistakes that I used to do, and I got 156 correct. Okay, I can definitely do better. There is no doubt about it. But I'm happy with this rank. Okay, so for me, this first point checks out. Okay, if it doesn't check out for you, means supposing you got a rank of, let's say, 15K, okay, 10K, 8K, or 6K, or even 4K for that matter. See, this is the thing I'm telling you. This is all subjective. For somebody, 4K might not be the rank of the rank that they think that they deserved. For example, somebody might be scoring a score of 160 plus in grand tests, and this time in NEET PG, for some reason, they got let's say 155 correct. Okay, or maybe 150 correct, or 140 correct, whatever it is. Okay, so you are the best judge of every question that I want to tell you. Okay, so you have to first of all ask yourself that if the rank that you got, is it your rank? Okay, could you have done better? Okay, that's what you have to ask yourself. Okay, and if this answer is checking out, okay, this is my rank. Okay, and I'm happy with it, and I've got a decent rank for how much I knew. Okay, so that is the first question that you need to ask yourself. If you've not got a decent rank according to you, okay, supposing you got this rank, okay, or below 15K, what I believe is below 15K is nobody's rank. Okay, anybody can do more better than 15K. That is what I believe. Okay, because medical field, as you know, it is more about dedication, it's more about passion, and it's more about hard work and smart work, of course. Okay, so I remember once saying that my PMT professor used to always say, chemistry के teacher थे Dr. Vivek sir. Okay, chemistry के teacher थे मेरे, and he always used to make this one statement, and he used to say कि IIT में घोड़े जाते हैं, मेडिकल में गधे जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो he is not demeaning medical students by any sense. He is just saying कि gada or a donkey works hard, okay, and a horse is naturally talented. So that is the difference he was trying to point out. Okay, if you are hardworking, right, you can excel in medical field. That is what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, no matter what your IQ is. I always say that my IQ was not that great. Okay, I was not the topper of my college, but today in my college I've scored the highest marks in NEET PG. Okay, including I think the previous batch as well. All right, so 2 or 3 batches I've scored the highest ranks in my college. I was never the topper of the university exams. There were people ahead of me, right? I sometimes, I'd not even come in the top 10 of my college during the university exams, right? But I've cracked the exam, right? I've scored the best marks in my college in NEET PG, right? And that's what matters, because I worked hard towards it, right? So that is what you have to understand, that 15K is nobody's rank. Okay, you can definitely improve over this. So if you've got a 15K plus rank, I would suggest you take a drop. But wait, listen to me. Okay. it depends. Again, there are multiple factors, right? Supposing it's a third attempt, fourth attempt, second attempt, okay, and you're saying कि यार बहुत सारे family pressures हैं या कुछ life में कुछ problem है or any kind of a thing, then you have to come to the second and third question. ठीक है? Okay, first question, is this your rank or not? Second question, are you getting what you want? Okay, now this, please understand, please look at the next point also. ठीक है? Are you getting what you want in government colleges? Okay, in private colleges and in DNB. Now for private colleges it obviously depends on your budget. ठीक है? Because private में सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. Private is deemed included. ठीक है? तो पैसा है तो सब कुछ मिलता है इंडिया में. ठीक है? तो that is the thing. बट तुम्हारे पास कितना है? That is the question then. ठीक है? एंड यू नो कितना है उसके अलावा यू हैव टू लुक एट द कॉलेजेस. देयर आर मल्टीपल फैक्टर्स. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू. ठीक है? तो पहली बात तो अगर आपकी रैंक 15,000 से ज़्यादा है, ठीक है, एंड इफ यू हैव सम एनर्जी लेफ्ट इन यू, डोंट थिंक ट्वाइस अबाउट इट, टेक अ ड्रॉप. ओके, ऑल राइट. एंड if some kind of a pressure is there in your family for any reason for that matter, if it is your third, fourth attempt and your parents are saying, yeah, theek hai, we'll pay for your seat, just take a seat, get it over with, theek hai, then you can consider spending a little bit more. ठीक है? Now what do I mean by government, private, DNB, किसी के अंदर भी मिल रहा है तो ले लो. Why am I saying this? Because I'll show you something. Okay, I'll just show you something. Do you know this guy? Okay, do you know this guy? Yes, this guy is not a name, he's a brand. Okay, today, okay, everybody in India knows this guy. Okay, Dr. Devi Shetty. He is like the pioneer in terms of cardiothoracic surgery. Okay, there is, if the moment you say cardiothoracic surgery, this is the name that comes up. Okay, and you would be surprised and you'd be shocked to know that he completed his MBBS and his MS from KMC Manipal. Do you understand? So that's what I'm trying to tell you. Not all private colleges are bad. Some private colleges are excellent, much better than government colleges. And I've listed down a few for you. Okay? And why am I saying that they're better than government colleges? I'll tell you that as well. Okay? So these private colleges that I'm talking about. Okay? CMC, DMC, CMC Ludhiana, CMC Vellore, DMC Ludhiana, ठीक है, MS Ramaiya, or any kind of a Karnataka private college for that matter. Then there is St. John's, there is Manipal. Okay, so Karnataka private, I mean there are I'll tell you 4 or 5 colleges. Okay, so MS Ramaiya is great. Okay, JJMMC Davangiri is great. Okay, then Father Muller is good. Okay, and St. John's, of course, St. John's is nice. See, also these are some 4 or 5 colleges which are excellent. Okay, which are excellent. Now you have to understand what is the fees. ठीक है? So these are affordable. Why am I saying affordable? You see, you just compare it to the college that I did my MBBS from, right? It took me a huge amount of money to do MBBS. Okay, and if I do MD from that same college, it will cost me around 1 CR. Not worth it at all. Okay, so please understand, you have to choose your private college wisely. Okay, so I'll show you one more thing. I'll tell you why these colleges are great. Okay, just look at this. Just look at the next image that I'm about to show you guys. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. This is for KMC and this for MSR. Okay, we'll start with MSR. We'll go to KMC as well. Okay, so you can see here, this is general medicine. Okay, the center part that you're seeing, and you can see the cutoffs here for general medicine. This is the cutoff rank last year: 4,600, 4,200, 2,300, 2,800, first round and second round. Do you see the cutoffs? Do you see how low they are? They are very close to government colleges. Okay, they are even less than a lot of government colleges. Do you understand that? Okay. Now look at the seat that I'll be getting. Right? Just a second. Yeah. So look at this. So private category, private quota, open category. So this is the cutoff for general medicine, the branch that I want, right? So the cutoff is between 4,668 to 6,339. So I'm telling you, there's not going to be one student who has scored a rank of 7,000 or more in my batch. Okay, as opposed to let's say a government college for that matter. Okay, and all of you know that government colleges have 65% reservation. ठीक है, एंड यू नो द कट ऑफ्स दैट गो फॉर डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मेंशन दैट. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि गधे गवर्नमेंट में नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है, गधे दोनों जगह होते हैं, है ना. उल्टा मैं तो कहूँगा कि ये जो कॉलेजेस, द कॉलेजेस दैट हैव रिटन हियर, ओके, दीज प्लेसेस हैव बेटर स्टूडेंट्स, these places have better faculty, these places have better infrastructure, and these places are going to teach you much better than any peripheral government institute for that matter. Okay, so please consider these. I'll tell you the fees also. Fees for MSR as of last year is 11.5 lakhs per year. Okay, so 11.5 lakhs is somewhere around, it will cost you 33 or 35 around. Okay, and plus they give you a stipend. I think this year the stipend is 45, 50, 55. Okay, so it's not that expensive. Do you understand? Okay, and I've already shown you the cutoffs, so please consider these places, and there is nothing wrong. I'll tell you why. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप प्राइवेट से करोगे तो पीपल विल लुक डाउन ऑन यू, द पेशेंट्स विल नॉट कम टू यू, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. ओके, जस्ट थिंक फ्रॉम अ पेशेंट्स पर्सपेक्टिव. You know, a doctor becomes popular by word of mouth. Okay, word of mouth in the sense, supposing a patient comes to me, okay, and I give him good treatment, I treat him properly, so he's going to tell to his friends, tell to his family ki, you know, this doctor is good, go to him. Okay, so that's how your popularity will increase. That's how you will be much better in your career. Okay, it has nothing to do whether you've done it from government or private colleges, and especially these colleges that I've listed down, they have a very good reputation among doctors as well. Okay, so you have to understand this. And of course there is DNB as well. Okay, if you don't have the budget and if you're getting DNB, not a bad option at all. ठीक है, राइट. तो तीनों को कंसिडर करना, आपका बजट कितना है, ठीक है, आपको गवर्नमेंट में मिल रही है तो वेल एंड गुड, नहीं तो लुक एट प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस, द वंस दैट आई हैव मेंशन्ड बिलो, एंड देयर आर मल्टीपल अदर कॉलेजेस एज वेल which are good. Okay, so look at the place that you're getting. All right, for Manipal also I'll show you. You know, Manipal is a very high fees, so if you can afford it, I mean, yes, definitely great institute. Okay, so look at the cutoffs. In spite of the high fees, general medicine in Manipal gets over at as you can see, it is 6,100, 6,500. This is the cutoff. Okay, can you see this? Right, so it's not like you know, idiots are coming here. Absolutely not. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to tell you. ठीक है, ओके. तो एंड द लास्ट एंड फाइनल थिंग दैट यू हैव टू सी इज योर एबिलिटी टू गो ऑन. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव टेकन 2 drops, 3 drops एंड यू आर सेइंग यार अब पढ़ाई नहीं होगी, ठीक है, आई कैन नॉट स्टडी नाउ, ओके, आई एम डन एंड दिस इज इट. Okay, then don't take a drop. Okay, take whatever you're getting. Okay, any branch or anything. Of course, branch is something that is very important. So take whatever you're getting at your rank. Why am I saying this? Because I'm not saying you to compromise on your dreams. Okay, so if you are somebody who has the ability to go on, who wants to study, definitely go ahead. Okay, but if you don't, then it's always better to make a, you know, take a step ahead and just go on with your career. Okay, and I'm telling you one thing, you know, sometimes you have to take what life has to offer you. Okay, and it may not be the thing that you wanted, but you can definitely make the best out of it. Okay, so try to make the best out of what you're getting if you don't have the ability to go on. Otherwise, always I've told you the sequence of you know, how I made my judgment. Okay, so this is it from my side. I hope this video has helped you. Okay guys, so please consider what I've said, and if it has helped you in any sense, please do let me know in the comment box. And that is it from my side, guys. Okay, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and share it with your friends who are maybe struggling with the same question. All right, so thank you so much, and goodbye.